Welcome to Amp Test Tuesday. The machine, man. Well, this thing's supposed to be a lot of power, over 8,000 watts. Let's open it up and see what it takes to make that kind of power. That's a lot of power in this little amp. I mean, it really isn't that big at all, to be honest. 8,800 watts? Well, we'll find out. Enough playing around. Let's put this thing on the dyno. Let's torture it a little bit and see what happens. 8,000 watts, damn. Let's see about that.
But I got my life together and I bettered myself as I got older. Smart with a degree and a diploma. You would go up to be lucky, but you look quieter in jail.
But since she already has keep seconds with inmates and other housing units, the jail has no choice but to place her here until you figure out elsewhere.
That girl's making nowhere. She gets no love. You want to go in there? The more you beat up, the more dramas. And I'm like,
Figueroa's fiance, Chris Colbert, is housed in the men's wing of the jail, next door to Terrence Smith.
I hope I don't die on this school. Maybe one thing you be like me, that's terrible. I just want to be in the soil to 245 pounds, 245 pounds, because it has phytoestrogen in it, which turns men to females. So,
is that your dream car?
I would love to have a car like that, but I can't drive that car.
Watch this, Brando. Come here and check this out. Almost 10,000 watts, goddamn. Look at that. As you can see, I'm limited to my battery bank. There's 10 14 volt batteries, but they're not very big. So after about 5,000 watts, they start to suffer a little bit. So getting 8,000 watts out of this amp is real good, and you can see we're in the 13 volt range with that. Keep this thing at 14 volts and see what happens. Hey, if that thing is doing its power, I can't wait to see what the 20K does. Stay tuned for that coming up.